Cute. Magkaiba yung flowers sa atin saka dito. Ayun, may kalamansi. Ito, oh, may kalamansi. Yun. Hindi pa, bata pa. Ito, kalamansi. Yan, oh, pongpong. Sarap yung bahay na may tawag nyo? May vegetable and fruits. Yung tama. Oh, yan. Ayun. Cauliflower. Dito yung lemon. Dito yung lemon. Oh, hilaw pa. Maliliit. Lemon. Pag lumaki to, yellow. Big. Yung kanina, yun. Yun, dahil. Mga pa, maliit. Maliit pa. Maliit pa yung lemon. Hilaw. Maliliit pa, green.
The one that's growing there.
Cute yung
Oh. It's pretty.
To, yung lavender.
Oh,
Lavender.
you still got a
Lavender na bulaklak.
kangaroo apple. You still got one of them. They're still hanging around. I was looking for them, and I thought, I wonder if there's one hanging around because they must be growing over here.
Uy, may
It's a native one. There is
niya
a
yung
kangaroo apple.
honeybee.
It's also a kangaroo.
Hinalikan niya yung bulaklak, honeybee.
You know what exactly there?
Cute. Uy, kinikis niya yung
That's
yung lavender.
That's a native. But
Yung lavender na flower, hinalikan ng honeybee.
yeah, it can. No, well, what you've got is Australia.
Ito, bilibs. Basil leaf.
This one, Ida.
This one, basil leaf.
See how it's got white flowers?
Cute.
That is Transdandia.
Mahal pa naman to sa mall.
It's not very politically correct these days, so we just call it Trans. No, this is Commelina or Annalena. I think it's Commelina.
Ito naman,
And that's a native one.
gamot ito.
And that has blue flowers. So if
Herbal.
you see blue flowers, it's native. White flowers, weeds.
Ito naman, mais. Ito, mais. Mais, okay.
It's a native. It's not as though, unless it's in
Summer na dito.
you're trying to grow, then
Summer.
can take over a little bit.
Summer na dito sa Australia.
But see here,
Dumayo kami dito sa kaibigan ng kaibigan ko. Ay, may butterfly.
Yeah, but it's good to see one. I reckon there's still one in there somewhere, and it's fruiting, and they're dropping the fruit. But there's a lot over the gardens, so that's also a good news.
Kaibigan ng kaibigan ko. Sa bayaw niya.
What's that? This one? Oh, the Warrigal Greens? Yeah. Yeah.
Si Aida kasama ko.
They're a bit useless. You've got to dry them out a little bit on prime or boil them. New Zealand, yeah. I'm glad you got rid of that Salinas finish. That looked like the weed potential on that one could have been terrible.
That's yes. That was a fake. No, you didn't look at it for a little while, but that would be about so high.
Yeah.
Dito kami sa backyard.
It's, yeah, look like it. Oh, well, it's,
Sa backyard.
no, well, it's good.
Bye-bye.